Welcome once again. Welcome everyone, and we all are here for our another meeting of EdTech Talks. So we are a part of this PMT Club group and we meet every Saturday, and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of planmytrainings.com. Okay, so let me share my screen first of all. So before we start with the speeches of you all, I want to share a little background and a little bit about the vision of this meeting. Why this came up, why I thought about it, and what all we will do in future. All right. So EdTech Talks is part of a PMT club that I run under the banner of planmytrainings.com. So it is a club of trainers, speakers, and professionals who are interested in enhancing their speaking skills in any field. EdTech Talks is an initiative within PMT Club wherein we talk about education and technology, HR, training, all these domains. We often organize virtual as well as live face-to-face conferences and seminars. So these are the images of some of the speakers, eminent speakers of our past conferences. We did some virtual conferences in the past, and these were the people who gave speeches over there. In future, I want you all also to participate in all these meetings and conferences the way we had here. So now today we are meeting. These meetings are part of the practice meetups, right? So today we are going to speak. These are all practice meetups. But once in a quarter or something like that, we will be organizing conferences where we go much more prepared, and that will be the platform for us to give our best, right? So that is one of the major focus, major vision from my side. That is the reason why I have started these weekly meetups. This was our last meetup. Some ground rules. Now, all of you, when you are here, these are the ground rules: that other brand promotions, hatred talks, discouraging others, politics, adult speeches, violence, religion, these are the things that we will not talk about. Brands, only Plan My Trainings and partners brands we will display over here. I hope you understand why so. It is our initiative, and of course we cannot offer this platform as a brand promotion for any other brand unless it is mutually agreed, right? But self-promotion, yes, you as a speaker, as trainer, as a professional, you are free to promote yourself as a great speaker, as a learner, or as an educationist, whatever field you are an expert in your field. So this platform gives you a self-promotion platform so that you are able to share your expertise with others. Respect for all. We all show respect for each other. We learn and stay positive. And let us keep inviting friends, and let us expand our horizon. Let us expand this group, and let us build a large PMT club so that we all get a big audience for our speeches, and we grow as a family. All right. Benefits, as I mentioned, weekly meetups, quarterly virtual conferences. We will be holding those. Offline conferences, we will be having those, and we will also be having some competitions and some panel discussions. Like here you can see there are theme-based meetings, panel discussions, competitions, awards, educational sessions by experts from various fields like digital marketing, sales, speaking, from all various domains. I have the vision to call people once in a month or so to talk about their expert area, and that is how we also learn something new with these meetings. That is one of the focus from my end. The opportunities that you get, you speak to improve. When you get a chance, you speak, you improve. You learn new topics, and from your speeches, you learn to learn about your topic, as well as when you listen to others, you learn new topics, and from their speeches, what they are doing good, what are the areas of improvement. From looking at others, you learn as well. You get a chance to become a host, panelist, speakers, keynote speakers, all of these things. In future, you get a chance to have all these, become all these. We will have competitions, so you get a chance to compete and win awards for speaking. As a trainer, if you are from the training field, education field, or similar, then you get a platform to practice your training topics. So you speak on your training topic, your expertise area, you practice some games, activities, whatever you want to do. You can reach out to me and we can have that within this meeting. And last but not the least, we all expand our network. We all are here. I'm from Delhi, Anu is from Mumbai, Nubuwa is from Hungary, and Anju is from Ahmedabad. So all parts of India and even world, we would be having people from various places all over the world, right? Requirements. I want you all to make things easier for me and for you all, so that we have our regular meetings. Attendance is something which is mandatory for all of us. We all need to join. Unless we join, how we would expand our group? That is what is needed. Joining, regular attendance, and on time is something that I request you all, and I want you all to help me out in this. All right. Regular speech delivery. You get this platform, and the requirement is that you come up with your topic and you speak up. And that's how you would learn. So it's okay to listen also, but then yes, come up with your speech delivery as well. Follow the rules in every meeting, the rules that I have mentioned. Follow those rules. That is a strict requirement, that all the rules that I have mentioned in the previous slide, that should be followed by each and every one of us. About me, you must have seen my videos. I have 20 years of experience in HR training, public speaking. I'm the founder of Plan My Trainings, and yes, this is my initiative. A quick introduction about me, so that just in case you are wondering whom you are listening to, this is what is all about me and the initiative. Now, let me just see, are there any messages? Okay, so Mabel has dropped off. She would join in the next meeting. She has another training session that she had at, I think, 11:15. She had to start a training session, so that's okay. Okay. All right, so welcome once again. I have shared the vision about this EdTech Talks and what I look forward to. I want to create this as a platform for each and every one of us in such a way that we all get to network more and more, and we all get this platform as a platform to speak, compete, and go to a bigger level, at the stage level where we stand in front of an audience and we speak confidently. So with that quick introduction about this club and its mission, I would now like to invite the speakers. So who would go first? So we have Anushri. Mabel has dropped off. So Anushri is the speaker for the day. Once we have Anushri's speech, then we will quickly have a quick round of discussion wherein we all participate, and then we will wind off. All right. So Anushri, would you please introduce yourself, and then then you can start your speech.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure. First of all, good morning, all, and thank you, Lucky ma'am, to providing an opportunity as a speaker. So it will enhance and improve our speaking ability, and we can improve our public speaking skills as well, which is very much essential nowadays for any like to conduct a training also or in any field. So thanks a lot. Myself, I'm Anushri Ghanekar. I am from Mumbai, and I'm working in Atos. It's a IT company from last 8 years, and I'm working on SAP platform. It's a R3 on-premise system, and I'm a team manager and I'm a functional consultant. I'm responsible for the gathering requirements from the client, doing feasibility study with my team, in getting the developments done from the technical team, and conducting QAT user confirmation testing for the client. And if the client is happy, if he said okay, then we are doing the deliveries of our development to the final production server. This is how my job profile is, and why I attending these sessions, or why I pursuing these sessions, because as a SAP consultant, my job profile includes as a package. Means I have to deliver the developments to the client as well as train to the users, that is my customers are users from the HR department. So to train them on the new technology systems. And here my role as a facilitator or trainer comes into picture. So I wish to progress in my training abilities as well. So I'm attending these sessions and looking forward to progress in this field as well. So this was all about my introduction part. So today I'm going to speak about tell me about yourself. This is typically the question where you have been asked during the interviews. In fact, interview is being started with this basic question. Tell me about yourself. It could be in the various form, right? Just brief me about yourself, tell me about yourself, or just have a walkthrough to your resume. Although we have already submitted our resume, or we have uploaded our resume on various job portals, we have replied to the various emails of the recruiters, still this question is very common. In fact, interview starts with this question only. So, what is the importance of this question? And why this question is, having so much of importance? Because the interviewer or whosoever is there on the interview panel, he judges you within the 3 minutes. Initially, 3 minutes are very much important. And he judges you then and there itself, where we can go ahead with this candidate or we can stop the conversation over there. So, in other words, this round, tell me about yourself, it can make or break your interview, your performance in the interview. So this round, or how to crack this round, is very much essential. So here, from my past experience and from the last 11 years, I am into HR and in recruitment field and in IT field. So whatever I have gained a knowledge just from my experience, just a few tips or just a token of knowledge sharing, I would like to share with you. We will break this topic into 3 segments. First, purpose or intention of this topic, why it is essential, tell me about yourself, or why interview is asking, tell me about yourself, although we have submitted our resume. Second thing, how you can speak during this round, or how you can crack this round. And third thing is proper closing, greeting and proper closing. So first thing is purpose or intention of this round. Although we have submitted we have mentioned all the things in our resume, and it's a representation of our own personality in the written format, still the recruiter or the interviewer would like to know how the person you are or who are you and how you can best fit for the given job profile. So this is very much important. Another thing, recruiter or interviewer is not ready to listen your personal stories, or rather he is not interested in your personal stories. Here main focus the attitude of the candidate, how the candidate is being the best suited for that particular job, and how that candidate will be best fitted in a given industry, for example IT, retail, manufacturing, etc. So first part is, I hope it is cleared. Now second part is how you can crack this round. First of all, proper greeting, it have a proper impact. Means if interview is being scheduled in the morning time before 12 noon, then you can start your greeting with good morning sir, good morning madam. And then if it's after 12 o'clock in the noon, then you can start with good afternoon and followed by good evening, etc. So here proper greeting is must. Second thing, you can introduce yourself by telling your full name. No miss or mister, or please note here, no only the first name. It sounds so casual. So I am Anushri Ghanekar. This is the proper format of your first name. Then you can proceed further by giving your introduction of your latest, highlights or achievements or job profile. So for example, I will say, I am Anushri Ghanekar. I am working in IT industry from last 11 years and I am SAP HR functional consultant, managing the team of 7 people and working on latest technology and on premise as well as the HANA platform. That's it. You can give your brief and crisp introduction. Next, you can tell like, I have achieved so many things as far as my professional career is concerned. For example, like I have achieved global certification in SAP HR. I have completed Train the Trainer and the Corporate Trainer certificates apart from my professional certification. So this will give an insight to the interviewer that apart from professional, career, yes, the candidate is interested in doing his or her personal development. So here, interviewer is interesting in whatever you are telling or whatever you are saying within a stipulated time. So use this benefit or opportunity to project yourself as you are a best fit for that given particular job profile. Here you can mention, yes sir, I have gone through the job profile, because many people, they didn't go or didn't refer the proper job profile, just they attend the interview like that. But before attending the interview, it is very much essential that you should complete your homework. Means you should Google up regarding the company, what is the product or what is the services company is offering, what is their job profile in detail, for what reason the company is looking for you as a future employee, what is the turnover of the employee or the company, and how you are beneficial personally and professionally by joining this organization. So it will show a detail analysis, and your homework is complete here by projecting yourself that you are the best suitable candidate for that profile. The next part comes the technical knowledge. Here, for my case, it will be the SAP knowledge. In your case, it will be any knowledge pertaining to digital marketing or any software engineering or anything. So, then once you clear this round, you can confidently clear the rest of the rounds. And again, in the third segment, proper closing of tell me about yourself, it is very much essential. So, in the third segment, you can say or you can conclude your conversation like, thanks a lot for giving me opportunity to discuss regarding myself. I'm just I'm looking forward for challenging job in my professional career. And here The bonus tip is like you should project yourself as you are a happy employee, you are a happy person, and means you are looking forward for more challenging jobs in your career. Please do not ever speak anything negative regarding your present job or negative regarding your present position in the organization, or regarding I have not received increments from last 1 year or 2 year. No. This is the no, big no, as it will create a negative impact. So this was all about tell me about yourself. I hope it will helpful to you at some extent. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was wonderful, Anushri.
Thank you, ma'am.
You did a great job, and it was a very well structured speech. You thought about
Ma'am.
all the aspects of what all we should include right from the beginning to conclusion. Great. Okay, so now coming to the other two meeting joiners, Nubuva and Anju. Would you like to speak anything on this topic?
I don't think so. I will speak this morning because it's a little bit chaos for me. My son is always throw the tantrum on me, and when I didn't focus on him, he will start to cry. So maybe I will speak for the next session.
Okay. You can bring him here and he can also participate. Okay. All right, no problem. So let us have a quick chit chat around the topic that was taken by Anushri, and then I will stop the recording. And after the recording, maybe we can have a little bit more interaction, and then we'll just wind off. All right. So Anushri, that was a great topic, and we all look forward to learning about this aspect of how to crack the tell me about yourself question in an interview. And my experience has been that whenever in an interview I have handled this question well, I have cracked that interview itself, the entire interview. If this question goes well, then I'm through. I know that I'm through. If I am not able to handle this question well, then the entire interview goes haywire and I miss the chance. So that is what I have experienced. Yes. Anju, any thoughts from you on this topic? Have you experienced this question, and how has been your experience about this?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone.
Good to see you.
Thank you, ma'am. Same here. Your topic is very nice and very challenging too. But this is the first step to how to give our interview party the first step. She given a very nice session, and sometimes I think when we give any speech or any relation with the it is what we say online is something is very difficult. That sometimes we can't give our whole conclusion to the people. That is the more important. So Anushri has given very nice session, and there is one line कि पहला कदम हमेशा बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. In every field, it is in the professional field, family field, or first we go for the anywhere, or first we go for the first interview. Where everywhere we have to go, we have to take a first step, and always it is very difficult. So we need to be make some steps. First, what we have to do and what we have to not to do. As an interview in the any industry or for the any job profile, as Anushri has said, is really a very good and very nice But there's so many other things too. That is, she has only given the industry. That is like how to crack the first interview or the first phase of this interview in the industry or any organization. But there's so many other places we have to go for the first step too.
Yeah, very true, very true.
Yeah.
Correct. So for Nubuwa, let me put this, the quote she has mentioned. Nubuwa, Anju just now mentioned, पहला कदम हमेशा मुश्किल होता है. It is in Hindi. It means our first step is the most difficult.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yes, of course, any field, the first step is the most difficult, and when that is taken, and that is what we are doing here as well. The first step to our speaking.
Yeah.
You take that leap. You know that this is being recorded. This will be put on YouTube, and still you are ready, and you have taken the first step to speak up. That's the great job, and that's the great beginning. Once that is done, of course, we get to progress much faster.
Yeah.
And the next meeting, again, we will have a similar theme. Maybe we can, what do you suggest? First step or career? What should be the theme for the next meeting?
Career.
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 That's really good.
Career. Okay. Anju also career. Anu?
Yeah, career.
Okay. Great. So once in a while, like, we can have meetings without theme, and at times we can have meetings with themes. That is what I have thought of, and going forward we will see what works better. If it is theme based, that works better. If everyone is ready to give a speech related to the theme somewhere, then we go with that. Or if there are people who are more interested in speaking about their own topic or something which doesn't relate to the theme, then we go that way. We will have a mix and match of types of meetings that we have in future.
Yeah.
All right. Any other suggestion, any other thought about this meeting from you all?
Ma'am, we can speak in Hindi. We can give our Hindi.
Hindi would be, I would suggest that if you speak in English, that would be better. But yes, if you have a speech in Hindi, you share with the entire group beforehand that you are going to give a speech in Hindi, because like Nubuwa is from Hungary. We might have other people in the group from various parts of the world. So they would not understand. But then, yes, if you have to speak on a particular topic in Hindi, if you want to speak up in Hindi on a particular topic, then we can accommodate that in the meeting. But throughout the meeting, while discussing and all, I think we should restrict in English language so that everyone in the meeting is involved.
Yeah.
So yes, any other thing, any other suggestion, question? And how are you feeling about this? Let me put that question from my end first of all. What do you think about this meeting?
Yeah, it's a great initiative, ma'am, from your end. And we really found it very much helpful for us. Means it will boost our confidence as well. And we are very much, eager to learn or how I can speak better, day by day. That spirit will be developed in us. Thank you very much for providing us such a nice platform.
Yes, and you being the student, I would also share my feedback and the kind of coaching that of course we will be going through. So that is always there, Anushri. So that we will take up. Now there is one more question from my side. Are you all open to share feedback to others and take feedbacks positively in our meetings?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
All right, so can we have a quick feedback round in terms of 3 things that went well that you think about Anushri, and 1 just one point where she can improve in future. Do you have any thoughts?
No, exactly. She's really good speaker, and also, as you said, her structure is really good. So I can understand what she say, what the topic she is shared to us. It's really, really good.
All right, great. Anju?
Yes, it's really very nice.
Okay.
Very good.
All right. In future, I will also float a feedback form kind of thing for every speaker, wherein you can just put your thoughts and we share that with the speaker so that they know where they can improve and what they did well, something like that. I have that in my mind. In future, I will introduce that as an activity as well. All right. Any other suggestion? Any other thoughts, question, any suggestion for the meetings? And how are you excited to join the next Saturday's meeting as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You will be
Yes.
available?
Yes.
Yes. I hope the next session is more people who is attend this session.
Yes, even I hope so. But the show must go on. Even if we have just one person, we will have the meeting. In the past, this is what has happened at times, that we just had one or two people. So then after that, my motivation went down, and then I didn't announce for the next meeting. That had happened in the past. Because when people don't show up, then even I am a human being, my motivation would also go down. So, but then now I have decided that from now on, the meeting will happen. Whether there are people there in the meeting or not, I am there. Meeting will happen. Those who want to learn can join, speak, learn from each other, network. Well and good. So that's it. That's my thought.
Very nice, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's at least from you, three of you, I hope I get the support from you all that you will join, and hopefully we will have more people in the next meeting.
Yes.
And also share your thought on speaking in the next meeting. Anushri, you can take up the same topic and you can improvise in the next meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Because we have the same theme as career, so you can improvise and make it even more, add few examples of your own personal life.
Sure.
Okay, so that's what you can do. And Nubuva and Anju, if you want, you can also take up a topic related to career, and you can also speak up in the next meeting.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thanks for giving a very nice opportunity to grow up with you.
Thank you. I'm glad that I'm being helpful to all of you.
Thank you.
And it's also a learning for me, actually. When I meet people, I also get to learn so many things. And it's a networking opportunity for me too. So I was saying that even this gives me also an opportunity to network and learn from all of you. So I am excited to take this club to a bigger level, to the world stage, wherein we get people from various places. And once again, Nubuva, thanks for joining from Hungary. What time is it over there right now?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now is 8:17. It's morning, exactly.
Oh, great.
Uh-huh.
Great. Thank you for joining in at this early hour.
Yes. I also thank you so much for all of you, because I can attend this meeting, and for Anu, also thank you so much for your knowledge, what you shared before. So yeah, it's really, really good topic. Just maybe next time you can share more about HR, because I'm really curious about this.
Thank you so much. Yeah, sure.
All right. Thank you so much, Anu, for preparing and giving this speech, being the speaker for the day. Thanks a lot. And a big round of applause
Thank
for
you all.
the great speech that you gave. And thank you, Anju,
Thanks all.
for joining in and sharing your thoughts.
Thank you, ma'am, giving opportunity to be here with you.
Thank you. I'll just stop the recording.